How you doing, guys? Welcome to Rodriguez Repair here with another video, and today it's going to be a pretty simple video. I'm going to show you how to replace the instrumental cluster on this Nissan Quest. This is a 2006. I'm going to put in the video the actual range of years where it'll be interchangeable. So let's get to it. You're going to need some panel poppers or some panel clips like these. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and disconnect my negative battery terminal, because we are going to be working with electronic components with the cluster. So just for safety, let's disconnect the negative battery terminal. First thing you're going to do is you're going to take a panel popper like this. I recommend one that has like a lever like this, and you're going to slowly pry on this area here like this. You see how you kind of lift it up? You know, just run your way all the way to the end. See, that's why I don't want you to use a metal ones, because you might damage the trim. So once you have that, okay, you're going to run your panel clip around this area here, because it comes all out together. Okay, so let's go ahead and remove this area over here as well, and then we're going to lift everything up. Okay guys, hopefully I can show you while holding the camera at the same time. Where you're just going to pry here like that. Okay, you're gonna run your way all the way around, and once you have a good amount lifted up, you can just run your finger around like this. There we go. Okay, now you have it basically loose. However, there is this area here. Let me see if I can get a light so I can show you guys. Right there, you see? That's actually inside of the this plastic here. So what you're going to do, see, you can't even remove it because everything else is loose. It's just these are like little maybe like inserts. There's like a claw that's kind of preventing this from coming out. So what you're going to do is you're going to basically use the same trim popper and wiggle it. Make sure that you can get this out the way, because you're going to have to put this back in the same location. Okay, so hopefully I can show you without moving the camera. Okay guys, let's see. See that? It's kind of held on there. So what you're going to do is just try to maneuver and figure out what is the way that it goes. There. Oh, okay, so what you're going to do is most likely you're going to flip it like this. And then you should be able to see how it's grabbed on. There we go. And then do that on the other side, so that it can also come out. There we go. Simple as that, guys. You see that? That's what was inside of the clips there. So we're gonna put all that back, but we're going to remove the cluster. So this is the area where that piece was inserted. Okay. Now we're able to see the cluster bare. Okay. And from here, it's basically straightforward. You're going to get a Phillips screw and get a screw there. There's a screw there. There's a screw down here. And there's another one over there. Once you remove those 4 Phillips head, all you're going to do is just wiggle it out like that. But remember, you cannot take it out completely. Make sure you carefully remove this, because it does have some guides there, you see, that go in there. So make sure you don't want to break those. So just gently wiggle it, and once it's out, you're going to run to the back, and you got to disconnect that connector right here. Okay, or it's not going to come out. So I believe the pin to disconnect the connectors in the bottom. Let me see if I can do it while holding the camera. There we go. Oh, it has multiple, so it has a couple of other ones. Oh, there we go. You see it? Let me get that one as well. There we go. And we might have one more. Oh wow, got one right here as well. There we go, guys. And that's how we remove the cluster on a Nissan Quest. Okay, so make sure if you found this video useful, make sure you give me a like, give me a subscribe, and leave any comments that you might want to leave for future videos. So keep working, guys. Thank you.